Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, universal garage door opener, heated front driver and passenger seats, HD radio, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, cloth seat trim, body color door handles. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.